and that was a Range Rover there. So all I'm doing right now is using the action camera mounted at the end of a monopod, and I'm using that to just give you a bird's eye kind of up down view. It's nothing too complicated. All I've done is added the action camera at the end of my monopod, so it's right at the end there, and I'm holding the monopod. It's quite a long, thick monopod. I don't need it to be this thick, but this is the only one I've got, so I'm using it to show you and what you can achieve with the action camera just mounted. And here you should be able to see behind me, it's the River Cole, and I'm walking with the action camera now, so it should give you kind of a view of how it would perform while walking, and there shouldn't be too much movement in it because I'm kind of, my arm's taking the bounce out of it, and this will give you options to use a cheap camera more effectively if you're doing vlogging type stuff or you're out and about, because not all of us have big DSLRs and camera bodies that we can use between, and you may just have one camera that you want to use and have it kind of do all the recording for you. So that works out well if it's something you can see now. The 1080p it's recording at the moment, so you should be able to see what that quality is like. It's a cloudy day, so it shouldn't be too many shadows or highlights, but it should give you a good overview. So I'll do a little walking bit with it now so you can see the quality of the moving images, and a little bit of a 360, and hopefully we'll get a car go through there again and we'll do a little shot of that, and hopefully I can slow-mo it down and see how slow it goes, because this action camera only records 30 frames a second at 1080p, so it's not great in terms of the quality there, but there you go, that gives you an idea. I'll do a few other shots of the water so you can see how that performs for the camera quality. And this is just a straight down shot, and you can do little effects like kind of those types, straight up and down, and use them in your shots.